How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna, or you can call me Jay, and wherever you guys are, I hope you're having a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and leave this video a like and a subscribe for more Pokemon TCG content, alright? In today's video, we're going to talk about how to start collecting Pokemon cards if you are interested. If you guys have been seeing so many different videos out there of Pokemon TCG cards and you guys want to get into it, then this is the video you want to see. So to start off, guys, Pokemon is endless. Like, you will never ever stop seeing Pokemon cards. Pokemon cards are always there. With Pokemon cards being there, there's always going to be new sets. If you want to start collecting, you have to figure out what you want to collect first. Sometimes a lot of people, they just want to collect everything, so they want to collect all the cards in a set, which usually is called a master set binder. So you get all the cards from 1 all the way down to, I want to say maybe 250-ish. Like, I've never seen a set that has over 300. But there are sets that are really up there, like Chilling Reigns is one of them, I think. But honestly speaking, figure out if you want to get the master set, because it is going to take a while to build it. Rule of thumb, unless you're spending hundreds or thousands of dollars of Pokemon cards, you're not really going to finish your set. It is going to take time, which is okay. A lot of high-end YouTubers, like, they probably start building their sets with their videos that they show. Even though they show that they have so many amazing cards, they actually don't finish their set. They're still missing a lot. Don't panic, it's all good. A lot of the big end guys, they're still working on it too. Some of them happen to have like the availability to buy thousands of packs, which are pretty cool actually. I love watching those videos because then they're able to show off all the pulls they got and all the duplicates and everything and so on and so forth. Again, if you're interested in master sets, definitely take your time with it. Buy whatever products you can, if you can, and then slowly look into getting the missing cards later on. But I'll get to that later. But that's one way of collecting. The other way of collecting is actually collecting the full art Pokemon cards. On the full art, there's two different variations. There's the actual Pokemon cards that are full art, or there's actually like the trainer cards. So a lot of people, I guess, they love the trainer cards because they're always different. They always look unique. But the full art Pokemon cards are also up there too. So if you're interested in collecting like full arts, that's one way of going about it. But again, it really depends on what you're interested in. Again, everyone's different. Take this with a grain of salt. Some people like maybe trainer cards, some people like full arts, some people like even collecting like the basic cards. But when it comes to master sets, obviously it's collecting the whole binder. Now, the other type of cards that you guys can collect if you want to start collecting is collecting the types of cards, like the fire type, the water type, the lightning type. A lot of people, if they're specifically into a certain type, or like even dragon type, I would say dragon is actually pretty cool. If you're interested in that kind of type, you would just collect cards in that set for that type. You don't have to buy all the cards. You can just pull as much as you can to get the cards that you want, or you can ask a friend if they have any specific type like fire or lightning or dragon and just build a binder out of it. Because apparently you can actually just collect types if you wanted to. It's not, there's no rule not to, right? You don't have to collect a master set. You can just collect whatever you want in that set. Now, a big thing a lot of people do is collecting a lot of the cute cards or the well-known cards. For example, Pikachu and Eevee. Anytime there's a new set coming out, a new generation of Pokemon, there's always different types of Pikachus and Eevees. So if you want to collect Pikachu cards, you can collect all of them you want and just have a big binder for it, especially the Eevee or the Eeveelutions. And the Eeveelutions in the last generation, it's actually pretty wild. There's so many different variations of them, especially the promo cards. But if you want to collect them, go for it. It's really your preference if you want to do just a specific type of Pokemon or just do all of them to get master set binders. Now, the other type of Pokemon card that's well known is Charizard. Now, obviously Charizard is a staple. It's never going to go away. He's never going to go away. And if you want to collect a binder filled with Charizard cards, why not, right? So I think the recent Charizard cards that came out is from the Ultra Premium Collection box, the Charizard Ultra Premium Collection box, sorry. And there's 3 variations of Charizard, and I think they're going to bring out another one for the Pokemon 151 set, well, obviously they'll have to. And yeah, like, it's just always gonna grow. Anytime I see a set, I'm pretty sure, is there gonna be a Charizard in there? I think there's gonna be a new Charizard. But yeah, guys, there's so many different ways to collect Pokemon cards. Don't just limit yourself to just the master set or whatever set you want to get. If you want to just get like a part of it, like, you know, just collecting the trainer cards or like a type of card or a specific type of Pokemon, go for it. No one's stopping you, alright? Again, take this with a grain of salt because everyone's different. Some people might want to say like, hey, you have to collect a huge master set, you can't just do a specific type, but where's a rule to say that you can't do that? You can do whatever you want, obviously, right? Now, aside from collecting Pokemon cards from the specific Pokemon or the specific type, or even just collecting the entire set, it's how to get those Pokemon cards. So there's different ways to do it. Obviously, the first way is buying the actual product, like let's say Battle Styles, Evolving Skies, Fusion Strike, whatever, opening the products and seeing what you get, and then putting them in your binder. If you actually get the cards, then that's cool. If not, then you put them aside. The other way of purchasing these kinds of products is buying the singles. Now, there's a lot of TCG stores out there that have websites, or you can go in person, that they sell singles for. Just, you know, do a comparison, check the actual value of the card, if it's below or high, if it's worth it or not. Don't break the bank. I know a lot of people have the fear of missing out, FOMO. Pokemon cards are always going to be there. They're always going to grow, and there's always going to be availability. So if you ever see a card that's really expensive, maybe give it some time for the market to die down. Give it a couple of days for a lot of people to get this kind of product and maybe sell it, and they might sell it for a lower price. Obviously, there are specific cards like the alternate artwork Umbreon VMAX from Evolving Skies. That is just crazy. I just don't know how that card can be like over $500, $600, and this is like Canadian. So maybe US it might be lower than that, or maybe higher. I can't remember the last time it went over $400, and I was like done with that card. I'm never gonna get it. I don't want to purchase it. It's just too much for me. But that's my personal opinion. You know, I don't want to spend so much on that specific card unless I, you know, am desperate need of it. If it's like the last card in that set, then maybe, like, but I don't know. And obviously the next way of getting Pokemon cards or collecting Pokemon cards is actually trading, networking with your local community, with your TCG community, see what they have, see what you have, connect, exchange, build a community, a friendly community, play them, battle them, and do all that fun stuff, guys. Because at the end of the day, you can collect Pokemon cards, but it's not fun when you're just playing with yourself. You want to go and just join a community, and maybe they might be nice, you know, maybe they see a card that you need, or a specific Pikachu or Eevee that you need, and they'll probably trade you something for it, you know. That's why a lot of high-end YouTubers or a lot of TCG collectors in general, they have trade binders. So they have a lot of cards that they probably already have. They put them in a binder and they go to a local TCG store where a lot of kids are playing, or a lot of people are playing, sorry, and they just trade cards, because it's one way of cost effectively, you know, getting the cards you need for your binder. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this video informative. Let me know in the comments below on what kind of Pokemon cards you're collecting. Me personally, I'm building a master set as much as I can for every set that comes out, and I am a big advocate for Steel type Pokemon. And I don't have a binder yet for Steel type, but I am building up towards that portfolio. I have a lot of different kinds of Pokemon cards in mind that I want to purchase on eBay, because eBay is a good place to check out, by the way, if you want to buy singles. And yeah, like, I'm going to build it and I'm going to show it off to you guys, alright? And as always, guys, wherever you are, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and leave this video a like and subscribe for more Pokemon TCG content, alright? And don't forget, I hope you have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. See ya.